Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Venus token. In my previous video, we have seen that the price action of Venus formed this down channel on the hourly chart and broke out this resistance of the channel. And I told you that the price action of Venus can retest the previous resistance of this channel as a support, and you can see that still it is moving down, and while moving down it has formed the different bullish reversal moves, the Garley bullish reversal with the Bitcoin pair. This is the US dollar pair and with the Bitcoin pair as well. And I've also shared the complete buying and sell targets at the Patreon as well for both these trades with the Bitcoin pair and with the US dollar pair. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description you can find there. And first of all, I want to show you this move that has been formed with the US dollar pair. Here we can see that after a surge of this surge was more than 3,000% from January up till now, when the price action moved from $3 up to $100 and found a very strong resistance here and moved down. And while moving down, it also formed this down channel that we already have seen in my previous video as well. And now after breaking out, it is completing this harmonic Gartley move on the 4-hour small time period 4-hour chart. And here we can see that we have also very strong this uptrend line support, and you can see that this trend line support is not broken down since after the first week of Feb. And you can see that so far it has been breaking as a very good support. Whenever the price action is moving at this support, it is getting bounced from this support, and I'm expecting that this time, for example, if the price action will complete this final leg of the Gartley, and you can see that this trend line is within this potential reversal zone, therefore the price action can move from this area of this potential reversal zone. And we also have the 50 simple moving average support, you can see almost within the potential reversal zone, and we have the 100 simple moving average below this potential reversal zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley move, realistically the price action can move between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to D leg. It's mean that after completing this leg and entering in this potential reversal zone, the price action can move from 38.2% to 78.6%, and this is the percentage of this length, A to D leg. And here I want to tell you one more important thing, that you can see that every time the price line is retesting this trend line as a support, but here if we place on the same 4-hour chart these exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21, we can see that the price line is still stuck between the EMA 10 and 21. So the completion of this final leg depends on breaking down the EMA 10 and 21. Once the price line will break down these EMAs, then we can expect that the price action will enter in this potential reversal zone, and maybe the price line will only hit a spike here in the potential reversal zone, because you can see that the 50 simple moving average support is at the very starting of this potential reversal zone, and it is also moving up. Therefore, it will be also difficult for the price line to cross down this 50 simple moving average as well. However, our stop loss should be this maximum extent of this potential reversal zone. Now, if I show you the XVS with Bitcoin pair, then here we can see that we have the same move. Like, we have a very strong uptrend line. The price action is getting bounced again and again whenever it is reaching at this trend line. And now we can expect that the price action will give us chance to buy it from here. And we also have this 50 simple moving average support, same as like in the US dollar pair we have here at the starting of this buying zone or potential reversal zone. And we also have this 100 simple moving average below the buying zone like we have in the US dollar pair as well. And realistically, the price action can move between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci of X to D leg from here up to this level, and it will be approximately 65% bullish move, and in the US dollar pair it can be up to 67% bullish move. However, I am expecting that as it is a very good strong bullish reversal move on the small time period chart, 4-hour chart, but the move is very strong. We have very good supports of simple moving averages, uptrend line, and this potential reversal zone in itself is a very good support as well. Therefore, we can expect that the price line will try to break out the $100 resistance level after getting reversed from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.